And just a quick hands-on here with the, wow, mission to the Antarctic, Blancpain 50 Fathoms. That is pretty stunning. I just picked up the green version myself, Indian Ocean. This one was sold out, but wow, this is actually a really stunning look here, guys. Unbelievable. I really love that. And maybe at some future date, I will add this to the collection as well. But there you see with the NATO, matching NATO, it is stunning. Whoever picked this one up, you did a good job. Just a quick look here at the mission, what am I talking about? Moon swatches? No, this is the Antarctic Blancpain Scuba 50 Fathoms here on Frankie Watch. And stay tuned for my unboxing of the Indian Ocean. It's right there. It's coming home with me. Stay tuned for the video for that as well. And did you pick one up today? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. That's it for this quick one. And this is Frankie Watch saying, time's up. Have a good one. Stunning, guys. Stunning. Absolutely stunning.